What's up, techies? Sarah here. I just want to give you a sneak peek behind the scenes of what a course area inside TekMatix looks like to the student. So, of course, I am enrolled in all of my courses here. What you see here is the very blank template that you receive when you get your TekMatix account. You can completely customize everything that you see on this screen. You will have your own logo, you'll have your own branding for your own online school. You can add a header or a banner image or anything you want up here. And of course, you'll have any submenus that you would like to appear here as well. Now, one of the things that I will be including for you is a template for all of the different types of courses you might create, preset with all of the suggested lessons and content, complete with notes to you as to the sorts of things you should be saying or addressing in each video. How cool is that? Now, of course, I don't mean content-wise. I'm not writing your course scripts for you. I mean in how you should approach each kind of core lesson that every course should begin with or be structured like. So we'll have in here some templates for you for free lead magnet mini courses or lead magnets, 5-day challenges, 10-day challenges, coaching programs, 30-day group programs, membership academy vaults, and even workshop and webinar recordings as well. So when you log into here, you will actually see these test courses or template courses that I've created for you. You can just go in and use those templates and get straight into just uploading your content. Now, the other cool thing that is amazing about TekMatix that the other platforms don't do unless you add in plugins is that when your students log in, they will have two little areas they can click on here. One is called My Courses. This means all of the courses that they have purchased. On all courses, they will be able to see all of your other courses, even books, even courses that they haven't purchased from you. So if, for instance, of course, I'm enrolled in all of my own courses here, but of course, if they saw this and they thought, oh my gosh, I really want to learn how to set up my own membership academy, they will have the option here to buy this course. This will say buy. So it doesn't just act as a platform or a shelf for stuff they've purchased. It actually enables you to continue to sell and on-sell all of your other products to people as well. So you have this whole entire library of things that they can purchase from you. The more you add to that library, it will show up on their dashboard as something else they can purchase. How good is that? And yes, you can create automations to let people know that you have added new content. So let me just take you into one of the random courses here. Now, again, you can completely customize this layout, how many columns it has, the colors of the cards, the way it's presented. You can completely customize all of this. This is just the basic blank layout so that we don't get too fancy schmancy at the moment. But this is what the student will see. So the student will go, oh, yes, let's take Sarah's YouTube challenge. And again, this is all blank and empty. We haven't customized this or anything. This is just completely plain. And this layout is customizable as well. So we will actually be providing a number of layout themes that you can just click and it will set, and you can change that theme whenever you like without it messing everything up. This is just one of the layout themes. So what you see is really cool is it shows the student when they log in how far through the course they actually are, who the instructor is, and again, you can customize this by adding in other elements. This is one of the layouts, the theme layouts here, where you have basically the module is in one box. Module 2 is in another box. By the way, the background colors are all customizable. These thumbnails are all completely customizable. These are just thumbnails that we made in Canva. And we've actually got some templates, Canva templates that you can use. So if you like this layout, you can actually grab our Canva templates and just change the colors to suit you, basically. As you can see, we've kind of gone for the theme here of YouTube colors. So this is basically how it works. Is in this particular theme, you have these nice, neat boxes. But again, there are different layouts if you prefer it to look different. This is just one of them. So let's pretend that let's take you through. Let's go from lesson 1. This is the course player area, which again is completely customizable. Your background colors, your logos, how this looks, whether you want your lessons to come up all along the top in a scrollable Netflix style view, or if you want them over here on the right or on the left, this layout can completely change. Now, this particular lesson is just a video, but there are text areas where you can embed text, photos, other videos, anything you like to have a written description for your students. And you can also have downloads attached to your video lessons as well. So if I did have a download attached to this lesson, there would be a button here in this particular layout that will enable the student to click that download button and their download will immediately commence. Again, this whole thing is totally customizable. Here we've got obviously a dark background with light text. You can change that yourself to whatever colors or fonts that you want. So I'll just show you here. Now you can also set for these to autoplay. You can choose autoplay on your videos. And in terms of your videos, I just want you guys to know that we host all of your videos. So on the Pro plan, you do get unlimited video hosting. You do not need extra tools like Wistia or Vimeo. However, we do have a function to suck in YouTube videos, Wistia videos, and Vimeo videos if you already have videos hosted there, but you do not need another video host. TekMatix hosts all of your videos directly inside your platform. All of your media library will have all of your content directly in it. This here is an example of a text lesson. So just like Microsoft Word, I could change all of that formatting, font size, colors, everything. Here is an example of a download lesson. So you can see here down underneath, there's the download files. So if I click that, that will download my success checklist. And basically, as you can see, every time I click the next lesson, I can also mark this as complete. If I want, you can set locks on here so the student actually has to complete it in order for them to say they've completed it, which is great for if you've got kind of corporate training that requires CPD credits and things like that. Now, if I was to actually go back to my course dashboard as the student here, let's go back to my library. Now, when we go back to that YouTube challenge, because we've watched some of it, although I didn't press complete on any of my videos, so it will still probably say none. Because I didn't complete any of my lessons, it's still saying 0. So if I had watched one of those lessons all the way through, let's just do one to show you, you get this really beautiful at a glance view of where you're at. So I'm just going to push it all the way to the end and cheat. Let's get going, let's get growing. Time to begin. All right. Okay, it's not going to let me in demo mode. I'm in demo mode, that's why. But you get the point. So that would then allow the student to complete if we didn't have it on lock, so that when we do go back to that dashboard, we can actually see exactly what our progress is there. So there you go. There's a tiny little sneak peek for you. There is so much to show you, and I will be releasing more and more and more. Come and get your free trial, www.tekmatix.com. If you go to tekmatix.com, you actually have the option to opt into a free trial on there. You get to go in and have a play. And TekMatix, I can't even spell my own company name. Great start, Sarah. So tekmatix.com, not .com, and you can get yourself a free trial if the waitlist option is not still turned on, or jump on the waitlist and I'll send you a free trial as soon as it's available. There's the little sneak peek for you. It's awesome, if I say so myself.